Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to zoom a page in Canva. This is canva.com website, and first I will create a new design. Let's go with an Instagram post to get a square page. Let's add a picture to see my zoom in and or out in this page. Now to zoom in or out this page, just use this slider at the bottom to zoom in or zoom out, just like that. You can also use this zoom list in order to get the zoom to fit your page, to fill your screen, also to zoom by percentage. And this is how to. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Canva Essentials online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Canva, basic Canva operations like how to add text, how to add a background, how to add an audio, video, etc. You will also learn how to edit and customize elements in Canva, also advanced text features like how to upload new fonts to Canva, how to rotate a text. You will also learn image editing techniques like how to crop an image, how to flip an image, etc. Plus animation and video editing, creating specific designs, for example, how to make a YouTube thumbnail, team collaboration and exporting, and tips and tricks. If you want to get access to all of this today for free, and also these other courses available in my university, just go to this link, university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorial. And this is how to zoom. You can also zoom using the trackpad on your laptop. For example, just use two fingers and keep zoom in or zoom out, just like that. Let's see it. Now I'm zooming in and out my page just using the trackpad on my laptop. And this is how to zoom on a page in Canva. Don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.